Welcome to Shopify Academy's design course. You're in the right place to learn how to design a beautiful e-commerce store that you can grow into a successful business. If you've never designed a website before, that's not a problem. You don't need to know how to code or have technical knowledge to benefit from this course. I'm also excited to let you know that the process to design your store doesn't need to take months to complete. This course is designed to help you get your store up and running fast. Throughout the course, I'm going to create a demo store to build it step by step to show you how I apply the lessons in this course to a real shop. You can take this course in any order you like. That said, I recommend taking the course in an order to get the maximum benefit for the time you invest. You'll start learning e-commerce design principles in Module 1, where I'll teach you how to bring elements of good design into your e-commerce business. In Module 2, you'll discover how to create a brand identity that emotionally connects with your customers. In Module 3, we'll bring all the principles, brand, and design fundamentals together so you can actually build your Shopify store. Now join me in the next lesson to learn more about my passion and experience for designing online stores.